In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Google form or linked sheet from Google Drive trash. If you recently deleted a Google form or the Google sheet that was linked to it, there's a good chance you can bring it back quickly using Google Drive's trash. This walkthrough focuses entirely on checking the trash, locating the right file, and restoring it with clear tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser at drive.google.com, or launch the Google Drive app if you prefer mobile. Once Drive is open, look to the left-hand panel for the Trash section. In some regions it may be labeled Bin, but it's the same place where deleted items are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed. Click into Trash and give it a moment to load. You'll see a list of recently deleted files. Here, you want to scan for your Google form or the linked Google Sheet. Google Forms are marked with a purple form icon, while Google Sheets show a green spreadsheet icon. If you know the approximate date you deleted it, sorting by last modified can make scanning faster. Also pay attention to file names you may have used for the form or its responses sheet. Often, the responses sheet includes the word responses in the title. When you spot the item you need, right-click it and choose Restore. On some interfaces, Restore also appears in the toolbar at the top when you select a file. If you're on mobile, you can tap the three-dot menu and select Restore there. Restoring sends the file back to its original folder in Drive. If you restored the Google form, it should reopen just like before. And if its linked responses sheet still exists, the connection typically resumes automatically. If you see both the form and its responses sheet in trash, restore them both so the link can re-establish cleanly. A quick note on timing. Items in Google Drive trash are usually kept for 30 days before they're permanently deleted. If you don't see the file you need, it may have been removed after that window. Also, if Restore isn't available for a specific item, it may no longer be recoverable. After restoring, return to My Drive or the original folder to confirm your file is back. Open it to ensure everything looks correct. That's all there is to it. Checking Google Drive trash is often the fastest way to recover a deleted Google form or its linked Google Sheet.